Good afternoon guys and girls, hope you're doing well today. We are at Aston Martin's headquarters in Gaydon, Warwickshire. This afternoon we're going to do a factory tour and also doing reviews on the new V12 Speedster and the Q DBX as well. Absolutely unbelievable day at the Aston Martin factory. We've been round the inside, which unfortunately we're not able to film because there's lots of top secret stuff going on here, but here we've come down an absolutely fantastic little stretch of vehicles before you go into the factory, which has got your classics, your DB1s, your DB4s, your DB5s. But my favourite car, I must say, is the V8 Vantage Le Mans series. I'm just going to show you around the car very shortly, but it is absolutely unbelievable. If I was going to buy a classic car, this is definitely one that is going to be high up on the list. Yeah, it just leaves me speechless. Just to look at the car, it might not be everybody's cup of tea, but for me this is a car where I look and I'm in awe of the car. And I bet the performance on this, it's a 600 horsepower twin supercharged V8 manual, and it doesn't look like anybody's actually sat in the car before. Yeah, paintwork. So look at the vents. It's just an incredible car. After looking at those fantastic old school classic Aston Martins, now we're just going to go back through to the main reception when we walked in, which has got your V12 Speedster, your V8 Vantage, Valhalla, and your Q DBX as well. So we're just going to head on down there now. We are now in the main reception area of Aston Martin's HQ in Gaydon, and the first car we're going to be starting off with is the Q DBX, which was going to be revealed at the Geneva Motor Show, but obviously to unforeseen circumstances with the coronavirus, the show got cancelled, so now we're here today to do a review on the Q DBX. What a beautiful car this is. When I've seen this car in pictures, I haven't really been a massive fan of the car, but seeing it in this satin xenon grey paint and the carbon fibre that comes on the car, it is absolutely unbelievable. It's got the 22-inch gloss wheels, it's got the exterior carbon fibre pack on the car, which you can see it's on the leather splitter, and the front badge as well is carbon fibre, the exterior mirrors, these vents as well, carbon fibre. But the paintwork on this car is just right down my street. This is, if I was going to spec a car, this is how it would look. I'm just going to open up the car now and have a look inside. So this is a left-hand drive car. As you can see, the finish on the car is fantastic. As soon as you open that door, it's got that new leather smell that hits you. Right, now heading towards the back of the car as well now. As you can see, just the rear of the car is absolutely unbelievable. So Aston Martin rear badges rising as well in carbon. Look at the size of this rear diffuser, it's absolutely amazing. So the exhaust tailpipe as well comes with carbon fibre surround, also as well in the boots, as well as a carbon fibre tray. Back spare wheel. Let's head into the cockpit. Sitting in this, it's just like sinking into a cloud. You could just spend a lot of time in here. It's fantastic. First impressions when I get in the car, very spacious. It's I'll just close the door. Actually, having own Range Rover as well, so they are quite spacious inside. But also, I know I'm on the left-hand side, not the right. But the car is so refined, very spacious. On the outside, it's not a big SUV, but like you say, the paddles, like you say, are perfect size. So the car will come with a 4-litre twin turbocharged engine, which is shared with the V8 Vantage as well. That's the only engine, I believe, that they're doing in the car. They're not going to put the V12 out of the DBX in the car, so I think it'll be punchy, sound nice and throaty, as well as the V8s do. There we go, quite a few gadgets. It's like being back in the Mercedes. But as you can see, this is the same as my DBS, it's the same as the Mercedes as well. Just in touch. Right guys, the QDBX. Number 2. Next is the V12 Speedster. So this was the car that I was going to unveil at the Geneva Motor Show, which they didn't get to do unfortunately, so we are here with the V12 Speedster. Right, first impressions. The car hasn't got a roof, has no windows, we live in England, so the likelihood is the usability of the car straight away is probably going to be minimal, because obviously we know here and it is raining now, so if I was coming to collect this and drive it away, I don't think it would be happening today because of the weather. So say the 88 models are going to be made 785 grand. It shares the same 5.2 litre V12 engine as what's in my DBX. Power, they haven't confirmed yet with specific power, but it's going to be around 700-ish horsepower. So yeah, so I'm going to stop waffling on and we'll talk a little bit more about the car. So carbon fibre galore, so the exterior mirrors, which I just love the feel of carbon fibre. Also as well the side sills, carbon fibre as well. 21-inch wheels sitting on Pirelli P0s. The rear of the Speedster as well actually reminds me of the back of the Vantage, as well with the lights. Obviously 2 central exhausts at the back as well, so not on the sides like most of the Astons. Let's take a seat. Oh, feels like I'm sitting in a fighter jet. Looks like I'm ready to take off and start dropping bombs and firing missiles. No soft close. It's a exquisite vehicle. Yeah, I feel at home in the car. I just don't think that the usability is going to be great for use in England, purely because of the weather. But obviously cars like this aren't going to be used every day, so it would be nice to take this out in nice dry conditions. Also have to wear goggles or a mask of some type, otherwise you're going to end up looking like Jeremy Clarkson did in the Atom. I am an alien! We're going to wrap this up guys, as I think the lovely staff at Aston Martin are looking at us like, you've been here now too long, remove yourself, leave. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe to my channel, and we will catch up soon.